promise. This is the automatic kill switch system. You can run it however you want when it's in the disarmed mode, but if you pass out while you're in full throttle, someone on the exterior can hit this button. And it kills her off. What do you think about that?
That's freaking sweet.
15 years ago, bizarre and frightening events played out in Granby.
Some of the videotape show you just a little bit of some of the crazy things that this man has done over the course of the past hour and a half.
Finally finished the Killdozer project. It was a lot of work. Hey, give me that welder quick. I need the welder.
All right.
Working on the Killdozer. This has been a nightmare of a project. It's been a lot of hard work, a lot of long hours. I can't wait to show you all.